The next thread that we are going to draw is the sailor's thread. Okay, so sailor's thread is a USA standard thread. So this is the pitch for that. Angle of the thread is 6 degree, and capital D is 0.86 p, and small d is 0.649 p. Okay, and these are the specifications. Okay, so seller's thread, again we will take pitch as 40 mm, theoretical depth d is equal to 0.86 p in case of seller's thread. So 0.86 into 40, it will come out around 34.4 mm. So approximately we will take it as a round of value as 35 mm. You can take 35 mm. Actual depth small d, it is equal to 0.649 p. P is pitch. So 0.649 into 40, it is coming out around 25.96, that is approximately 26 mm. Okay, so then again we have to do another calculation, that is capital D upon 8. So capital D we have calculated as 34.4. Okay, so 34.4 divided by 8, so it is coming out as 4.3. Okay, so you can take it as a 4 mm. Okay, so it is mostly used in the, it is a US standard thread, so it is used mostly in the US. Now again, to draw the thread, we'll draw a line of 12 centimeter. Okay, so again we will take the pitch values, that is at 4, we will mark the points. Next is 8, another is at 12. Okay, so the depth capital D that we have found it as 35 mm. So we have to draw a 35 mm height over here, vertical over here. Okay, so 35 mm line from these two ends. Okay, so now complete the block. Top edges we will join it. This will represent the capital D, that is total height of the thread. Okay, so that we have already calculated as 35 mm approximately. The next is from top we have to take 4 mm, that is D by 8. Similarly from the bottom you have to take 4 mm. Okay, so now we will join the ends like this. Similarly at the bottom, so this rectangle will represent 4 mm. Now we will do the dimensioning. So this is capital D. Okay, that is 0.86 p. This is small d, that is 0.649, and this value at the top edges, this is D by 8. So this is D by 8, and similarly this one, this is also capital D by 8. Okay, so now draw the verticals. This is at 4 centimeter, this is at 4 centimeter, this is, so total is 12 centimeter. Okay, so now after this, mark the midpoints also, here at 2, here also at 2, here also at 2 centimeter. Okay, so now join these ends like this. Similarly on this side like this. Okay, so now we will darken the portion. Okay, from, so this one we have to thicken. So this portion we have to make the flat, that is crest. Here also at the root we have to make the flat line. So this portion should be dark. Again for this portion, again from here to here thick, then again this one flat, that is crest, the root, and from here to here this is crest. Then again this is the flank of the thread, again this is the root of the thread flat you have to join, and again this one. Okay, so in this way, so this angle is 60 degree. Okay, this angle is 60 degree. This portion represents crest. So this is just for information. I am marking this is crest and this is the root of the thread. Okay, so this is root at the bottom and crest at the top. Okay, and these are the specifications. So now just by taking some extension, okay, so you can conclude it like this. So here this is slightly abrupt, so like this. Okay, now just draw the hatching lines at 45-degree angle, as you already know. So this is the seller's thread. So in the examination, to save time, okay, you can take the larger gap between the hatching lines and you can draw only two threads. Okay, not necessary to draw this portion. This portion you can leave. Okay, so this is the seller's thread. Hope you all understood. So if you have any questions, you can write it on the comment box.